Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and I found a solution for my small kitchen space. I have hardly any cabinet space, but this has done the trick. It is the Reva shelf. I love it. It has solved my organization problem for all of my tea and coffee items. I love it because it is a hideaway shelf. All I have to do is push it in to the cabinet and no one even knows that it's there. I love the fact that it was so easy to install and now it's so easy to use. I can use it as a small pantry for all of my coffee items. I can put all of my tea boxes on one shelf, and then I can put all of my special mugs that I've collected on other shelves. I love this Reva shelf because it is so versatile. The shelves are movable. All I have to do is remove this little yellow stopper and I can adjust the shelves up or down. I love that about it. I can also remove the metal bars for easy access. This Reva shelf has added so much useful space for all of my tea and coffee items in my kitchen. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.